Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. Outside the car you've got 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, reverse parking sensors. Inside the car there's half leather interior. There's also the 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 100 horsepower and a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done less than 7,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.